Hello everybody, this is Dr. Ahmed Ergin. I'm an endocrinologist in Port St. Lucie, Florida. We operate at Diabetes, Thyroid, and Hormone Center of the Treasure Coast. For years, women have been told menopause is something they just have to survive. The hot flashes, right? The brain fog, weight gain, mood changes, poor sleep. But one of the most dangerous consequences of menopause is something you cannot really feel happening in real time, and that is bone loss. And honestly, this is where I believe many women are being failed by the healthcare system. By the time osteoporosis is diagnosed, the damage has often already been happening silently for years. Today, I want to talk about why Bioidentical Hormone Replacement Therapy, or BHRT, may be one of the most important tools for protecting women's bones during and after menopause, and why early intervention may help many women avoid stronger and potentially riskier osteoporosis medications later in life. So let's start with the basic physiology, right? Estrogen is, you may know, critically important for bone health. It helps maintain the balance between bone breakdown and bone rebuilding. So it's actually true for men. Men don't lose their bones because they never lose testosterone, which is converted to estrogen in their body. Now, when estrogen levels decline during menopause, bone resorption basically accelerates dramatically. Now, this is not subtle, right? Women can lose massive amounts of bone density during the menopausal transition. And once that bone is lost, rebuilding becomes much harder. Now, this is why so many women suddenly go from normal bone density to osteopenia and then osteoporosis, sometimes directly to osteoporosis if they have not been screened timely, within just a relatively short period of time after menopause, after a few years. Now, here's the part that nobody talks about enough. BHRT is not just about symptom relief. That's what people believe. Yes, estrogen can improve hot flashes, vaginal dryness, sleep, mood, and quality of life, no question about that. But one of its most important evidence-based benefit is bone protection. Estrogen therapy has consistently been shown to preserve bone mineral density and reduce the fracture risk. This is not alternative medicine. This is backed by decades of research. And frankly, it makes physiologic sense, right? You're replacing a hormone the female body naturally depended on for decades to maintain skeletal integrity. Many women are terrified of hormones because of fear-based messaging that basically exploded after the original Women's Health Initiative study. That was over 20 years ago. But much of the public interpretation became oversimplified and frankly misleading. Today, now we understand much more about timing, patient selection, route of administration, and a difference between synthetic hormones versus bioidentical hormones after so many other research that came after that initial study that scared everybody. For appropriately selected women, especially when started closer to menopause, BHRT can be tremendously beneficial. And here's what I find ironic. So, like many women are told hormones are too dangerous, right? But later, they're placed on powerful osteoporosis medications with very real risks. Some of them have stroke risks. Drugs like Fosamax, Boniva, Reclast, or Prolia absolutely have a role. I'm not saying don't use them. I use them for some of my patients when I have to use them when medically necessary, right? But why do I have to use them if I didn't have to? You know, people come to me with diabetes or thyroid problems like after everything broke down and exploded. Rarely I see a patient saying that, oh, I care about my wellness, I don't want to catch this disease, or I have initial signs, let's reverse it. That is rare. Some osteoporosis medications can be associated with jaw problems, severe reflux, atypical femur fractures, rebound fractures after discontinuation, and severe bone pain sometimes, and complications related to long-term suppression of bone remodeling. Again, these drugs have an important place in medicine, but ideally, we want to reduce the need for aggressive intervention later in life by protecting the bone earlier. That is where BHRT shines. Now, when implemented appropriately during the menopausal transition, BHRT may help preserve that bone before severe osteoporosis develops. Now, prevention is always smarter than damage control. Now, let me be clear about something important as well. BHRT, Bioidentical Hormone Replacement Therapy, is not just about taking estrogen blindly. This needs to be individualized. Hormone balance matters. Progesterone matters. Testosterone may matter in some women as well, especially for muscle mass, energy, motivation, libido, and metabolic support. I say muscle mass and energy because weightlifting has a big role in preserving bone density as well and maintaining your muscles. And the hormones work best when combined with a holistic strategy. You cannot just sit on the couch, eat ultra-processed food all day, avoid exercise, sleep 4 hours per day, drink alcohol, smoke, and expect hormones alone to save your bones. That ain't just gonna happen, right? Resistance training is absolutely critical because muscle pulls on bone. That mechanical stimulation signals the body to maintain the skeletal strength. Protein intake matters enormously, and many menopausal women are under eating protein typically, and that contributes to sarcopenia and frailty, excessive muscle loss. Now, vitamin D optimization also matters. Very important. Magnesium matters. Vitamin K2 may help support the calcium regulation along with the vitamin D. Inflammation controls matters because smoking destroys your bone, excess alcohol damages your bone, insulin resistance negatively affects the bone quality. For example, diabetics have higher fracture risk even with normal bone density. Chronic stress and cortisol dysregulation can accelerate your bone breakdown because cortisol is not going to help your bone. This is why I strongly believe the best approach combines conventional evidence-based medicine with functional medicine principles. You address the root causes while optimizing the hormones. Now, does every woman need BHRT? The answer to that is no. And not every woman is a candidate for sure. But women with certain cancers like clotting disorders, severe cardiovascular disease, or other contraindications require careful evaluation. So because we are extremely careful with this type of problems, even if we save a lot of women from problems, we don't want to hurt anybody. But in properly selected women, BHRT can be life-changing, not just for symptoms, but for bone protection, for muscle preservation, for metabolic health, for brain function, and most importantly, for quality of life. It's important for healthy aging. Women are living longer than ever before. The question is not just how long you live. The question is whether you stay strong, mobile, independent, and functional as you age. Because osteoporosis is not just a bone problem. A hip fracture in your 70s or 80s can completely change the trajectory of your life. My philosophy is simple. Protect the bones early. Protect the muscles early. Protect metabolic health early. Do not wait until severe osteoporosis develops before taking menopause seriously. That would be called reactive medicine. Smart medicine is preventive medicine. Talk to you later. Please subscribe to our channel and visit tcendo.com. I'm an endocrinologist in Port St. Lucie, Florida.